Everyone asks the wrong question. How do I become a millionaire fast? The real question is, what should I do at each age so becoming a millionaire becomes inevitable? Because wealth isn't built in 1 year, it's built step by step, starting much earlier than people realize. Today, I'll show you exactly what to do at every age from 13 to 19. Same story, same person, two different futures. Age 13. Awareness. At 13, money feels invisible. You don't earn it, you don't lose it, you just spend what shows up. Let me explain. Meet Ethan, 13 years old. Ethan gets $20 every week. One week, he spends it all. Another week, he asks, where did it go? That question changes everything. He starts tracking, not saving, just tracking. Millionaire link. Every millionaire starts by noticing money before controlling it. Age 14. Control. At 14, Ethan still doesn't earn, but now he understands something dangerous. Money that's tracked starts behaving. Let me explain. His friend spends without thinking. Ethan pauses, not because he's cheap, but because he's aware. By the end of the year, one kid has memories, one kid has habits. Millionaire link. Wealth doesn't start with income, it starts with control. Age 15. First earned dollar. This is where the game begins. Ethan earns his first $50 helping someone online. Not impressive, but when he holds that money, something hits him. This took effort. That feeling changes how he spends forever. Millionaire link. Money you earn teaches discipline. Money you're given teaches nothing. If you're watching this and you're under 18, you're ahead of 90% of people already. Subscribe to Business Nova. This channel is your unfair advantage.
Age 16. Skill over hours. Most 16-year-olds trade time. Ethan trades skills. Instead of a regular job, he learns one digital skill. He earns less at first, but unlike a job, his income isn't capped. Millionaire link. Millionaires don't work more hours. They build higher value skills. Age 17. Surplus creation. Now something new happens. Ethan earns more than he needs. Friends upgrade phones. Ethan upgrades his bank balance. Not because he's boring, but because he's patient. Millionaire link. Wealth begins when income is more than lifestyle. Age 18. Investment ignition. This is the turning point. Let me explain. Two 18-year-olds. Same income, different choices. One buys a used BMW, Ethan opened a Roth IRA. He invests consistently, total market index fund. It looks boring, no status, no dopamine, but here's the math no one explains. Ethan started at 18. Every $1,000 he invests now can become roughly $88,000 over time. If he invests just $500 a month through his early 20s, even 10% increase every year later, he is mathematically on track to become a multi-millionaire. By 30, Ethan has assets and huge investment in savings. One has regrets. Millionaire link. Early investing doesn't feel powerful until time wakes up. Age 19. Identity shift. At 19, Ethan isn't rich, but he's dangerous. He doesn't ask, how do I spend this? He asks, how does this grow? That question compounds. Millionaire link. Millionaires don't think differently after they're rich. They think differently before. The complete millionaire sequence. 13. Awareness. 14. Control. 15. Earn. 16. Skill. 17. Surplus. 18. Invest. 19. Compound identity. Miss one step, the chain breaks. Follow the order, the million becomes inevitable. No one becomes a millionaire at 19, but almost every millionaire followed this path, whether they realized it or not. Your age isn't holding you back, it's loading your future. Start early, stay patient, let time do the work. This is the wealth architecture. Subscribe to Business Nova because money isn't luck, it's a system.